In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and customize your Shopify store to best suit your needs. Now, get ready to follow along as we delve into this step-by-step guide designed to enhance your online storefront with ease and precision. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to your Shopify dashboard by visiting the Shopify store homepage. Once there, you'll want to locate the online store section on your dashboard. This is your gateway to customizing how your store appears and functions to your visitors. Click on Online Store, and this will take you to the heart of your e-commerce management. Once you're on the online store page, you should see an option labeled Customize. Click on Customize to open up the theme editor where you can start tailoring your store's aesthetics and functionalities. This is where the magic happens, so feel free to explore a bit to get comfortable if it's your first time here. Next, direct your attention to the section that says Browse Our Latest Products. Clicking on this area will allow you to explore and manage which products are featured prominently in your store. This step is significant because featuring new or popular products can help in attracting customer attention and driving sales. Now, it's time to dive into imagery. Start by clicking on Image 1 and then Image 2. These selections help you refine the visual storytelling of your products. When choosing images, consider quality and relevance to maintain a professional look and feel. Remember, the images are often the first impression of the store, so make them count. After setting up the visuals, you want to adjust the height setting. The height settings determine the size of your image banners and content blocks. Make sure the proportions are balanced, ensuring that everything fits well on both desktop and mobile views. This simple adjustment can greatly enhance the shopping experience. Next, turn your attention to the animation option. Adding subtle animations can give your store a modern and dynamic feel. Be mindful not to overdo it. Too many animations can lead to slower loading times and may detract from the user experience. Following this, click Content to manage what you communicate to your customers. Good content management keeps your store organized and informs your customers about who you are and what you offer. Don't forget the mobile layout section. With many shoppers using mobile devices, it's crucial that your store has a responsive design. Ensure your layout is clean and that text and buttons are easily readable and clickable without any issues. Finally, wrap up by clicking on Theme Settings. Here you'll be able to tweak basic settings like fonts and colors to align with your brand's identity. Consistency in branding helps in building trust and recognition. And there you have it, a quick guide to customizing your Shopify store. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating an inviting and efficient storefront. Happy selling!